Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. It's me Alamin. My passionate animation, graphic design, and 2D animation. Currently, I am BC in Multimedia and Creative Technology at Daffodil International University. I am third year, 6th semester student. I have completed my SSC from Hirapur Ideal High School and College in 2020 with the GPA 4.56. Later, I completed my SSC in 2022 from Pachgaon Mahabub Government College with my CG 4.56. My current CGPA is 3.16 out of 4.00. When I joined MCT, everything felt new, but I start to journey it. I am a creative and positive person. I love learn a new things. I am very interested in game developer and design. I enjoy editing videos, 3D model, those tools Photoshop and Canva Pro for graphic design, Figma for UI UX design, Autodesk Maya, Blender and 3DX Max for 3D modeling, Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects for edit video or motion graphics, Unity for game design. Every challenge I take on helps me grow and become more confident in my creative journey. In the future, I want to make my own game in people around the world love to play. I want to keep learning, create more. This is my journey till now. I am Alamin at Daffodil International University. Thank you for watching.